Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a DIY cardboard masjid. This masjid the kids could actually go inside and pray inside the masjid as well. So the first thing I did was just draw out a structure or an idea of what I was planning on doing. Then of course pick a place in your house to build it and basically set up for Ramadan. Since this year we won't be going to the masjid with the kids, I decided to put it in a room, so that room will be dedicated to all Ramadan activities, praying, and everything else that I plan on doing with them during Ramadan. Now I had these huge IKEA boxes. We got some like chairs in them, but of course very big Amazon boxes or medium size packing boxes do work as well. Of course you can make a small structure or anything that looks a little bit like this. What I did was that I used the thinner parts of the cardboard to make two towers, and then I used the other part. So I actually tried to make it where it was just a silhouette of a masjid where the kids can't actually go inside, but later when they ended up seeing it, they did want to actually go inside and pray. So then I ended up adding a extra piece of cardboard towards the end. With the smaller box, I cut out some domes. So I cut out 3 domes to be exact, and then I also cut out a moon to put on top of the biggest dome. Then I cut out a doorway, and I cut out some windows. So originally I was just planning on putting their activity boxes and their musalla boxes inside the little area, but as you can see later in the video, I still had the baskets inside the masjid, but it's just that I made it a little bit bigger so they are able to actually go inside and pray and everything like that. Because of the pandemic and most of the masjids being closed for at least children under the age of 12, the best thing to do is have a place for them to pray at home and build that love for the masjid in their own houses. As you see over here, I'm adding the last panel for the masjid to make it a little bit bigger and a little roomier for them to pray in. It does end up looking like a playhouse, so they did love it. I did end up cutting 2 more windows on the side. Now this part, because I knew they were going to have a little bit of trouble painting the domes, I decided to paint the domes myself. I painted them green, and then what I did was that I painted on some bricks, and then of course I gave them paint, and then they got to paint it whatever color they wanted to, because of course it is their masjid, and if they paint it then they will want to use it more. Now, them loving all things pink and purple, I didn't have any purple paint, so I did give them pink, 2 shades of pink and red, and just let them go at it. As you can see, they are not staying in the lines, so I did have to go back in later and make the lines again. While painting, they were discussing which side of the masjid they will be praying on, which side will be the other person's. It was really funny.
So we painted the masjid, we are inside it, and these are the windows, and this one is a window too. Another is one more window, and you like it? There's so much paint on it. Oops, I got it.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting every Tuesday and Thursday during the month of Ramadan. Stay tuned.